Brightest day to each and everyone. We are the researchers from Baras Pinuga Integrated High School and will be presenting our study titled Online Distance Learning in Baras Pinugay, Grade 11 UMS and TVL Students, Challenges and Opportunities. 2020, the Department of Education announced a more efficient way of learning in the midst of the global pandemic of COVID-19 in our country. Traditional face-to-face classes were canceled and one of the new learning modalities called online distance learning was implemented. Now, instead of going to the school, students partake in classes online through numerous virtual applications. Because students are highly susceptible from the coronavirus disease, therefore by doing the classes online, there will be a lower risk of transmission among the learners. This way, the students can fully commit to continue their education with the safety and comfortability of their home. Because, according to Secretary Briones, education cannot wait. Certainly, online distance learning is a promising way to continue the students' education in the midst of the pandemic. However, the modality also shows its own limitations the longer we use it. It shows different drawbacks that may or may not hold back the students from getting the knowledge they need. Based on the literature review that we did, most of the studies in the Division of Rizal focused on teaching strategies suited in face-to-face classes, effectiveness of modular distance learning, and the research guides. However, no study investigated on the trials and prospects experienced by online students. In this paper, the study aims to understand students' circumstances and opportunities after the implementation of online distance learning. Based on the established research gaps, the study hopes to answer the following research questions. Number 1. What are the challenges and difficulties faced by grade 11 UMS and TVL students during the conduct of ODL? And number 2, what are the opportunities these SHS students had during the implementation of ODL?
For the methodology, we have the sampling, data collection, and data analysis. First, let's discuss the sampling. The study had 10 senior high school students that were divided into two groups. 5 students from Humanities and Social Science and another 5 students from Technical Vocational Livelihood who were officially enrolled at Paras Pinuga Integrated High School for the current school year. They were considered to be the participant in the study because the set grade level has only 2 strands, and they have the most active number of students attending online classes. The study used convenient sampling technique of PARS 2018 considering the COVID-19 situation. For the data collection, data were gathered through an online semi-structured interview. Online interviews were done in relation to the IATF guidelines that face-to-face interaction are prohibited. Furthermore, open-ended questions were given to the participant during the interview. Also, the interview schedule is based on the participant's availability. This is also in line to the time and task policy of DepEd. For data analysis, the analysis of the interview transcript was guided by Shea and Shannon's 2005 Directed Content Analysis. Therefore, challenges and opportunities beyond the principle are still mentioned for possible extended findings for the study. The process of interview transcripts was done from the video recording and virtual meeting. Lastly, an intercode validated the analysis of the analyzed form.
For the first research question, column 1 shows the 3 major themes established under challenges and difficulties of senior high school students in ODL, drawn by the student participants' experiences. Column 2 shows the interview transcripts as detailed evidence on the established theme. Only the top 3 themes were included in this study. Ranked third is the students' internet stability, where 60% of the participants experienced disturbance in learning due to an unstable internet connection. This is primarily because most of the students only uses mobile data or the internet connection is not enough to sustain the classes held online. This finding is supported by MB 2011, saying that students face challenges due to lack of internet access, due to unstable internet connection. This is primarily because most of the students only uses mobile data or the internet connection is not enough to sustain the classes held online. This finding is supported by MB 2011, saying that students face challenges due to lack of internet access. Ranked second is the external barriers, where 70% of the student participants experience difficulty in studying due to different external barriers, such as mentioned in the corresponding transcript. This is associated with the number of neighborhood in their setting, who lives just past on the next wall. This finding is supported by Brad Egan 2020, saying that students cannot focus because of the background noise in their environment. Ranked first is the lack of parental guidance, where 80% of the participants agreed that they are experiencing hard times studying without the support from their parents. Since classroom teachers are not around, as an alternative, students need the guidance from their parents. This finding is supported by the study of the following experts, saying that parental support is positively and significantly related to academic stress. For the second research question, the study also established three major themes under the opportunities of senior high school students in ODL. These findings are supported by the interview transcripts and related studies. Interestingly, all student participants, or 100% of them, mentioned the major themes below. Under Theme 1, Comfortability, 100% of the student participants agreed on comfortability of learning at home than in school. This is mainly because most of the participants of this study experience learning at the comfort of their homes benefit them, unlike the face-to-face learning. This finding is supported by the following experts, saying that as time goes by, ODL becomes more comfortable and manageable. Under Theme 2, Affordability, 100% of the student participants share the same insight on how affordable ODL is compared to face-to-face classes. This is mostly because of the participants of the study lives away from their school. The participants of the study also revealed how learning at the comfort of their homes saves them from the expenses there is in traditional learning. This finding is supported by Kiando 2020, saying that ODL is seen to be affordable to many average income households. Lastly, under Theme 3, Time Management, 100% of the participants agreed benefiting in terms of managing their time in ODL. This is mainly because the task assigned in ODL is way lesser than the traditional learning has, making it flexible for the participants to manage their time. This finding is supported by the following experts, saying that the duration of the study in it is determined by the student himself. That is, the student begins to study at a voluntary time, mastering the materials under.
And for the conclusion, based on the findings of the study conducted, teachers of online distance learning modality must recognize that students are still adjusting to the new normal changes. Therefore, teachers should give a lot of consideration since we're new to this kind of setup. Moreover, the new norm also cause an implications for the teachers to also adapt their way of teaching to the students' capability to be able to cope up to the new learning process. And since only few students participants were interviewed, it is suggested that more participants need to be interviewed in the future study to have a broader understanding of the challenges experienced by the students. With the help of this study, it will provide an overview of the effects and challenges of online distance learning among students to provide the educators and school administrations recommendation and possible solutions on how to enhance the implementation of online learning. Finally, COVID-19 pandemic taught us that our dreams are not cancelled, but just on hold. We are the Team Baraspi Nugay. Thank you.